What's going on, guys? Today I want to make a new video for my brother-in-law's car. It's a Polo VW, and I'll show you it right now and tell you what it has. Yeah, so the ABS is still on, and it's supposed to go off when you turn on the car. Sometimes it's on, like when you start the ignition it turns on, but then when you start the car it's supposed to go off. Yeah, so the issue is he was driving and then randomly that came on and he doesn't know what the issue is. So first thing I'm gonna check is the ABS sensors. I'm kind of guessing it might be a broken wire. I'm just gonna take the front wheels off, see if I can see anything there first. Because when I'm driving the car and you tap the brake at the very beginning, it's like doing that. If you've ever had a broken ABS sensor, you'll know what I mean. Like you'll feel it in the pedal. Like it's like trying to stop the car. It's like, you know how the camera moves. Like, just kidding. But like, you'll know what I mean. Like you'll feel it in the pedal, and it's as if the brakes is slightly touching, or like one tire is trying to be. The car is trying to slow one tire down or one wheel. And that's what it was kind of doing. So I'm thinking one of them isn't talking with each other properly. And that's what we're going to try figuring out now. But first I want to give the car a rinse because it's filthy. But that's normal in the rain weather. Alright, now let's take off these wheels, put the jack underneath, and get going. So the brake pads still look very good on both sides. This looks good too. This is the ABS sensor down here. It's probably down here. It's probably not going to come out easy by the looks how rusted it is. Yeah, that screw already looks like if I try to put something in there to get it off. So I just put the wheel back on because I can't see anything. I want to take the other side apart first, off, see if I can see any damage there. If not, then I'm probably gonna order some ABS sensors because I can't read the code right now because I don't have my PC here right now. So I want to just see visually if I see anything. Issue is taking them out. Mostly they don't come out right away or come out in one piece, and that's, I don't have the new ABS sensor here right now. It's not an expensive part, but I would rather just take it apart because it's my brother-in-law's car. I don't know when he's here to pick it up, so yeah, do it the safe way. On further inspection, I found this. So this goes down to the brake pads, I believe. I'm pretty sure that that thing's busted down there, so I'm gonna take this off, open this up. On the other side, I didn't see any of this here. Huh, what is going on, man? So I'm gonna open this, clean that, and then I'm gonna go back to the other side. Let's do that right now, actually. Yep, on this side there is nada. That cable then doesn't even exist there, so let's check it out. Okay, I plugged it in, glued this. This sat in here, but I'm not gonna put it in there because it snapped off right where it sat. So I'm gonna probably zap strap it for now somehow. But first I want to start the car and see if it changed anything, and if it didn't, then I want to unplug it and see if that does anything. I might have to drive it. I'm gonna unplug it first and see if that does anything. Okay, now let's try it with unplugged. Now that's on, so maybe my ABS is actually broken and not that. Okay, wheels on. Drop. car. Okay, I'm gonna see what happens. I go for a quick little spin. I know on that guy, that Porsche, I just have to drive. Then after fixing the issue, then it went away. But here, if the circuit is still busted, because I just closed it again, right? Like, if it's busted, it's busted. So I might have to get a new cable. And also, it was just a guess if that's really the issue. So. So, since the issue didn't go away by driving yesterday, it's a new day. I forgot about the fuses. Maybe I should check the fuse. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. These fuses go like this, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They go like this. I believe 4 or 5 has something to do with the ABS, and then I gotta check out the diagram online, which one is what, which I can show you guys a picture of right away too. So this one is good. Nothing busted. That was number 4. Number 5, also good. So here I'm just looking. Like 15 has to do with transmission. I'll try that one too, but then you can keep going down. I think 23 was something. Yeah, 23 is also one. So check those two. 13, 14, that's 15, I believe. 15 or 15, one of these two. You just gotta count from here. So I checked all of these. None of them are busted, so it's gotta be the cable, or I still gotta wait for my PC. The Polo is back. We can now change the parts. So I'm gonna take this off now. This clip, unbolt it, and then keep going. Didn't notice it at first, but this clip is completely broken. It might be this cable actually. Got it out, very rusty. I had to hammer that into there. From there. Now we gotta get that thing out, which probably is gonna suck. So, like as per usual, it snapped by pulling out. So now I either get to drill it out or burn the car. So I just screwed a screw in there, and I'm gonna try getting that out with a breaker bar, like one of these here. This probably will not fit. Yes. Definitely burning the car. Sorry, bro. So, while getting the torch to burn the car, I tried one more time with a bigger screw, so I had better leverage, and it came out very, very tight. I couldn't really film it either. I'm sorry. I needed both hands, and I couldn't really film in here while working. I'm gonna blow that all out, and then put the new one in. New sensor is in. Now I'm going to plug it all in and see if it's only this side that needed work. Super, nochmal. This car is now forever tight. This wheel. Let's see it. Just want to see if it is that one or not. So the issue didn't go away, so I looked at the back. I should have done it in the very beginning. Look at all of this. And if you look into there, I don't know if you can see it, but the ABS sensor down in there is full of junk, like it's clogged. I can't really tell. I'm gonna try editing a video, an arrow into there, but maybe it's this. Maybe this is the issue. Took the brake off. There's nothing left of this goodness. So I just got rid of the shield for now, clean it up a little bit, and see if that was the issue. It has arrived again. This side's broken. That one. Right there. Alright, so we read it with a computer. This sensor, it says it's broken. So I'm going to swap it out and then plug in the PC and see what it says. This bolt is probably going to be a pain in the rear end. But therefore we can, like, if it does come out, and this doesn't come out because they always snap, we can just pry it out from the back there. Ladies and gents, it's turning, it actually works. It's a beautiful day. I'm looking forward to something smart to do. Hey Polo. It's the moment of the truth. What? Ladies and gentlemen, something's wrong. It comes out without prying. Bruh. Let's see, maybe it'll go off without even the PC. I just put my phone camera away. It was weird, I could delete the codes on here, but it didn't go away on the dashboard. Now I'm just seeing I have a bunch of updates, so it's brand new. It has to work, so I'm just letting it update now. And she's ready. She works again. Now I'm gonna go back to this guy.